Hello everybody. Turimu Mazi. As you can tell, we are in the water because it's Christmas. You can say to your Rwandese family, Noheri Nziza, which is Merry Christmas. Numwaka Musha Muhire. Numwaka Musha Muhire, which means and a Happy New Year. So repeat after me. Noheri Nziza. Numwaka Musha Muhire. Okay, so now to say I am happy to be here. It's Ndishimye Kubandi Hano. Ndishimye Kubandi Hano. Or if you want to say thank God I'm here, you say Imana Ishimye Kubandi Hano. Imana, which is God, Ishimye Kubandi Hano. So this would be it for today. Murakoze kunihega amatwi, which literally means thank you so much for putting an ear in my way, which means really like thank you for listening. Murakoze cyane, muramuke neza. Bye bye. Oh, because we didn't use the highway. Top 5 side, Pastora Production.